So I'm really lucky today to be sitting here with Antonio. I'm just going to start asking him questions and let you find out his genius. So Antonio, thank you, man.
No problem. Thanks for having me.
You've obviously got a passion for what you do. I know that. Worked with you for years. Tell everybody else how you got to this far end of this amazing place that you've got now.
We actually started back in the 1970s with my father starting the business.
Yep.
I suppose we had a very good understanding of product in working with it with our hands. We sort of evolved out of that and into just architectural supply.
Cool.
Always the latest and greatest where we're right on top of.
Yep.
And large format porcelain, laminum has been one of those items that we got right. We've actually been involved with large format porcelain for 10 years now.
Most people have only been involved for like a year or two or even known about it.
Yeah. But now everyone's ready for it.
The proof is in the fact now that it's just such a beautiful product. It's being used consistently. You've got lots of different stock of it. So everything that you've got here comes on a boat from Italy.
Yes.
Yep.
Being an Italian-made product, we find the standards are quite high with generally everything we get from Italy. Every year when we go to the exhibitions, you can see the difference between the Italian manufactured products, the Spanish,
Because
Chinese.
Italy will lead in the design.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Now you've got some amazing tiles. Love them. Trend-wise, we're sort of at the cutting edge of what's happening. How do you balance your ranges like that?
Yeah, it's very challenging because it's usually the time lag that's the issue for us. We can release ranges that have been just released from Italy or
Say
Spain.
at Milan or somewhere, yes.
And we find the market needs a bit of catch up to sort of start using it and appreciating it the way we've seen it released.
Yes.
There has been some clear differences in some of the factories' designs. You can see that there's, out of the 10 ranges that they've released, those two, they made for a specific market. It was not for us.
It wasn't for, yes.
That's right. So lately, it's been a little bit more general. Before, we used to very easily see what's been produced for Asia, what's been produced for Russia, for the US.
Yes.
Very different taste again.
Yep.
But now it's blended a little bit more.
Yeah.
So
and that's Pinterest and Instagram and all that. The blend is becoming tighter as where almost this global village thing happens.
Absolutely.
But all presented slightly differently because of their environment that they're seated in.
Yeah.
But I see that happening so much. And then it really comes down to the genius of design to make things look different as opposed to everything looking the same. Antonio, awesome, thank you. I think there's a ton of value in there. Really appreciate that. Get out of here. Keeping that one.